When we look how it is complex exercises, very important that our troops, Lithuanian SOF, has the possibility to be trained together with allied troops and to train the command and control procedures, also to use all necessary equipment and use the different capabilities.
We've worked with our multinational partners using multiple platforms, both the Wildcat Mi-17s and some fast jets. That's all being coordinated by another one of our NATO allies, a JTAC on the ground, using a pre-planned and dynamic situation as we go, being briefed up by the JTAC to coordinate attacks on a target using multiple nations.
This exercise is a message. We ourselves as Lithuanian Special Operation Forces and also our allies are prepared to do anything it takes to defend Eastern Europe, basically, and Baltic countries from any possible adversary and to ensure that our people live in a secure environment.